Today I will explain you combination reaction. Actually, what combination reaction is? You will find when two or more reactants they combine together and they give you the single product, then it is a combination reaction. I will explain with an example. You will see this is the bonding of magnesium or combustion of magnesium. Here the magnesium bonds in presence of oxygen. It collects from air. Oxygen is collected from air, present in air. So magnesium will bond in presence of oxygen. After bonding, it gives you magnesium oxide. Actually, this is a white color ash that will be produced, and as you will find in the result or in the product, it's a single product, so it's a combination reaction. So magnesium plus oxygen gives you magnesium oxide is a combination reaction. So let me demonstrate this reaction so that it will be better to understand. So all of you see, I have taken magnesium strip. Magnesium strip is available in the lab like this, in the form of a strip or in form of a ribbon, and I have collected a piece from this and I have rubbed with a sandpaper to remove all the deposits on the surface. So finally this is the magnesium strip I have collected. So now I will burn it. This is the burning process, a combustion process to mark it. When I will burn it, please look carefully and note down your observations. If you will see, when it burns with a very dazzling flame, with a very bright flame. First observation. Second observation you will find, after burning, it will produce white ash. See, the white ash is produced. You can mark it very easily how the ash is produced, and it is collected here, and you can mark it the white ash in the dish. It is collected, and this burning you can mark with a very dazzling flame. Heat is also produced. So this is the ash collected. This is the ash collected. You can see this is the white ash. This is your magnesium oxide. Okay. So here I can explain you. See that I have taken magnesium strip. I have bond in air. That means magnesium bond in presence of oxygen. So the chemical reaction between magnesium and oxygen produced this magnesium oxide, which is a white color ash. Actually, this is a basic oxide. So this is a good example of combination reaction.